Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video series, we will be looking at the deliveries feature, and specifically for this particular episode, we will be looking at how to generate a delivery receipt on Keepsales. Now if you're a business that is actively involved in delivery, Keepsales allows you to schedule your deliveries and manage them all in one place. So let's get to it and see how it looks like. Okay, so when we click on the records and history, when you move your mouse over records and history, you click on today's deliveries. Okay, so it brings you to the today's delivery page. All right, so under pending, okay, you notice the deliveries which are pending for the day. You click on the fetch packaging receipts, okay, and then over here you have the option to either click the A4 receipt size, okay, so you'll be able to print a receipt on an A4. Usually those who want to spell out terms and conditions and all, A4 receipt sizes will help you. Choose any of the options that have the particular terms and conditions or whatever information that you want to display, or you click on the normal receipt size. Now when you click on the normal receipt size, okay, it's going to give you the smaller receipt size, okay, and then with the information and everything on it, and then you can either download or print. You click to print, okay, you click on the print, and then you can print it for your customer. Okay, so either this, or I have one that's our bulk SMS feature. Now that one only works when you've been able to successfully deliver to your customer. So when you've successfully delivered to your customer, okay, it is recorded as sales. Now if it has not been delivered, then this second option wouldn't actually work. Then you would have to fetch it directly from here. Okay, but then once the item has been delivered to the customer, you click, okay, you go to your account history, or you go to today's sales, because then it is recorded as a delivery. Okay, so over here you notice one record, okay, which is the delivery. Okay, so once you have that, okay, you click on options, okay, and then you can send a POS receipt or send A4 receipt. Okay, so when we click on the send POS receipt, okay, this allows us to manually send a receipt, okay, a delivery receipt via SMS. Okay, so you have to learn more about our bulk SMS feature and how to create your bulk SMS feature. Activate your bulk SMS feature and everything. Okay, in order to be able to manually send receipts to your customers. Okay, so usually things like this, okay, you are able to successfully send a thank you SMS message with the receipt link. So the customer receives it, they tap on the receipt link, and then they are able to view their receipt directly on their phones. Okay, so this is all for how to generate a delivery receipt on Keepsales. Thank you so much for watching this video. There are more of these amazing videos available, so do well to check them out. See you again in our next video. Bye bye.